Hi everybody, Tom here again at Strapworks.com, your #1 source for webbing and buckles and finished straps. Hey, have you ever wanted to just break? Well, so have we. So we went out and we bought a brake tester. Today, we're gonna break plastic D-rings. Seems easy, but you know you gotta get set up for it. So, we're gonna get going. Okay everybody, how exactly does a pull tester work? The bottom line is that you put something around your product and it's going to pull against both directions. At first we're going to see some deflection, then we're going to see the break. Well, I hope you had as much fun as we did. Give us a call if you have a question about your application. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for your business and keep on strapping.